Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce your ping and your input delay by a mile. So let's get right into it. Firstly, you want to go into the description of my video and download the best optimization folder I have put there. Now click ping commands and you'll see a text file saying flush DNS. Now copy the command over here and type in command prompt in your search bar. Now this should come up right here. You want to click run as administrator. Now this will flush all the cache. Now all you want to do is right click and it will paste ipconfig /flush DNS. Enter that and it will successfully flush the DNS cache. Now exit out of that and go back to my best optimizations folder. Click latency and input lag and run ADW cleaner. Now this should come up right here. Go to settings and then check all these settings, and on your database automatically use the cloud database if enabled. Now you want to go into the dashboard and scan out potentially unwanted programs, slow down your computer and reduce your internet and increase your ping and input delay, and that will stop you gaining an advantage in competitive gaming. So as we're waiting for it to finish the scan, make sure to like and subscribe, as it would mean the world to me. And I've also got another video on how to improve FPS, so it'll be in the pinned comment and on the top right below. Now if you haven't found anything, click run basic repair, and I'm not going to do it right now as it will close all the processes. Click cancel. But if it has found any potential unwanted programs, it should say something like run basic repair maybe, or restart and disinfect this computer. Great. Now close out that and you can go back to your desktop. Now you want to go to type here to search and type in keyboard. So I already got it right here, and this should come up right here. So the repeat delay is how long a key takes to process when you have pressed it down, whilst the repeat rate is how fast you click a key and how fast it processes it. So if you put repeat delay to short, it will process it in 0 point something seconds. Also if you put it to long, let me check it over here, it'll be this fast. And if I put it to short, be this fast. Now repeat rate, if I put it to slow and I keep clicking a key right like this, it will be really slow. So you want to put it to fast, click apply and click OK. Now you want to head back to my folder onto my best optimizations and click timer resolution. Open timer resolution and click maximum. Now this program reduces all your input delay to 0.498 milliseconds. So if I click this, it processes that action in 0.498 milliseconds. So the usual Windows resolution is 15.625, which is 15 milliseconds. Fortnite auto sets it to 1 millisecond, but just having that extra competitive advantage will help a lot. Right guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I also have another video on how to improve FPS in any game you play. It will be in the pinned comment and on the top right over there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon.